എല്ലാവർക്കും കണ്ണേട്ടനിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ഒപ്പം ഡോക്ടർ വൈഷ്ണവിയാണ്. She is a cataract and a glaucoma specialist with Eye Foundation. Welcome, doctor.
Thank you.
So today I understand you're going to help us with cataract first and then glaucoma. അപ്പോൾ ഈ cataract surgery, is it painful? ഭയങ്കര വേദനയുള്ള സർജറി ആണോ? A lot of people keep asking us this. Is cataract painful? Are you really going to have a bad time recovering? So is cataract painful?
So cataract surgery is not that painful. So original drop will put it inside the eye. That is a numbing drops, paracaine drops. So that will numb the eye. So the patient usually 90% of the patient of the time he doesn't feel any pain. But if the patient has mature cataract or if the patient has got brown cataract, we need to inject some injections inside the eye. So even though during the procedure it is totally painless.
Okay. And just before the cataract surgery, do we have a long period of preparing for it? Are you put on medication or something, or is it surgery that you can come, consult and get it done the very next day?
Yeah. So if the patient presents to you maybe like a day earlier and he wants a surgery the next day, we can usually do that. So we usually advise antibiotic drops usually for all the patients. It is usually 3 days prior to the surgery if the patient has presented very early. But at the same time, if the patient wants the surgery next day and if he's just come today, so we usually advise antibiotic drops just like 4 times today and then he can come prepared the next day. So it is just the antibiotic drops which he has to use it prior.
So cataract again is a day procedure.
Yeah, it's outpatient.
Outpatient.
Yeah.
You can get your surgery done and go or leave home on the very same day.
Same day.
What are the details that you need to take care of after you get the surgery?
Yeah. So the well done surgery is not complete without the application of medications. So the post-operative medication is very important. So as per the schedule, we usually follow the schedule for 2 weeks and then the steroids has to be tapered and totally it's for a month. Whatever the drops
we have medicines.
Yeah, we have medicine for a month. So that the patient has to follow it regularly without missing any drops. And we usually advise using mobile, laptops or the near work the very next day. So the people can resume their normal activities the next day. But for 1 week going out, walking, just outdoor activities can be resumed after a week.
Do you have to keep your eyes patched?
Not at all.
Wear dark glasses all the time? Because we have seen that cataract surgery protective shield doctor advice. So is that common for everybody or is it for any specific cases?
Yeah. So the shield is usually we don't advise for a regular cataract surgery if it is all well done and it's completed within 15-20 minutes. Shield we usually advise mostly after glaucoma surgery. If the pressure surgery is also done, we usually have a cup or a shield just to protect, because glaucoma we do some suturing. So the patient should not rub their eyes after glaucoma surgery. So we usually use a protective shield at the night time. And the dark glasses inside the house we don't usually advise, but whenever the patient goes out, the patient can wear the dark glasses outside.
Using water to wash your face, head bath, these kind of things I've heard a lot.
So that is everything after 2. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So all these things has to be done only after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Okay. So no direct contact with the eye,
no splashing water.
No splashing water. No rubbing.
No
these
rubbing.
kind of things. But otherwise, routine activities.
Indoor activities.
Okay. What about bike riding or driving? No problem within your case?
Yeah, that is what. Car driving we can applicate after a week. Bike driving we usually avoid after 2 weeks. It's done only after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Because bike more of dust and everything comes. So usually bike riding and outdoor thing after 2 weeks they can resume.
അപ്പോൾ cataract surgery simple ആണ്. Care എടുക്കണമെങ്കിലും you can get back to your routine the very next day. TV കാണാം, mobile use ചെയ്യാം. You just need to make sure that you do not get water directly into your eyes and you do not have dust and dust is the main thing and no rubbing of the eyes. So that's about an idea about cataract. Now please tell us, what is glaucoma? Is it scary? What is the condition? Can we treat it? How do you approach? How should a patient approach glaucoma?
Yeah. So usually it's a glaucoma. It's called the thief of sight. So nobody knows when they will go blind. So it is just by regular examination we pick out glaucoma. So it is usually symptomless. There won't be any symptoms. So actually there are two types of glaucoma. One on the open angle solvom, இன்னொன்னு closed angle. This open angle glaucoma means the pressure inside the eye is little bit building up.
Okay.
So in the open angle glaucoma, so people they don't have any symptom. One headache varadu, blurred vision varadu. They'll be normal. They'll be just walking inside your room, and then by diagnostic test, but by looking at the nerves inside, we pick up that the patient can have glaucoma. So adukku vandu sometimes patient in the closed angle glaucoma irukku, the patient can have headache or eye pain. So that is the main symptom of closed angle glaucoma. Adukku the treatment option varies. So for all the both open angle and the closed angle, it is mostly anti-glaucoma drops. We usually instill the patient. Closed angle glaucoma, there is a procedure called the YAG laser iridotomy. Closed angle means there is a fluid or thanni vandu or that will be flowing inside the eye. That pathway for closed angle is very much narrow. And the pathway la and the thanni vandu force valiya suttittu irukradhanaல the pressure inside the eye builds up. So adanal the patient can present, other than the first symptom, the patient can have headache and little bit of brow ache, eye pain and all. So that is a procedure called the YAG laser iridotomy. So with the YAG laser machine, we just open up the passages. So that is lifelong, and the patient adukapra pannadukapra he can be normal and he can all continue his regular activities. But if the patient has open angle glaucoma, as I told you, there won't be any symptom. He'll just walk in just like that. And if I ask a family history, ஆமா இருக்கு, எங்க அம்மா அப்பா drops போட்டாங்க, lifelong போட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. So that is the main history that you should ask the patient. So in the open angle glaucoma we confirm by means of two tests or field test எடுப்போம், and there's a one scan. So இதெல்லாம் சேர்த்து வச்சிட்டு if the pressure is usually the eye pressure should be around 20 to 21, less than that. If the pressure is little on the higher side, and if அந்த ரெண்டு டெஸ்ட் சொன்னோம்ல, so அந்த டெஸ்ட் இருக்கும்போது then we find out the patient has glaucoma. We usually start him on some anti-glaucoma medication, that is an eye drops, that has to be instilled lifelong, and we ask the patient to come every 6 months once follow up. But in the drops போட்டுமே கூட if the pressure is not under control and in the எல்லா டெஸ்ட் எடுத்து பார்ப்போம், if that feels everything is progressing, then we can advise surgery. It's called the trabeculectomy. We advise surgery for the glaucoma patients. So all these glaucoma patients have to be followed lifelong, and every 6 months once they have to come for a regular checkup. The main thing is a family history. It is merely genetic.
Okay. Just in case, if എനിക്കറിയില്ല what has happened in the family, or maybe I am not aware of what are the conditions my parents have gone through. What would be the simple starting signs of glaucoma? Like, where should I be careful? Is there something that we can watch out for, or is this purely something a doctor or an ophthalmologist can tell you when you happen to come for a treatment or a checkup?
So the thing is, idhula glaucoma la vision will be very perfect. So it's called a blinding disease because on the field of vision it gets affected. So first side lane vandittu, then the last thing will be the tunnel vision. So that only remains.
Okay.
So as I told you, it is symptomless. So the patient will not be aware, and just we have to follow up the patient regularly. So if the patient experiences a very eye pain, or if the patient is very clever, he can just say, in the side enakku konja theriyala, side vision when he is driving or something, konja the side vision blurred ah irukku appadina, that is an indication that the patient can have glaucoma.
Is there any age related to this? Somebody in a particular age should get this checked?
Generally greater than 50 years we advise this glaucoma checkup. And if the patient has family history, if he is very much aware that his father or mother or siblings have family history of glaucoma, then after 40 years we can have a regular routine checkup for glaucoma. So otherwise, once the glaucoma is detected, so if the damage has already happened, otherwise we can't go back. So the damage, whatever damage has happened. So we just need to prevent the further deterioration.
So glaucoma, we do have treatment. We can start with the medication. At the same time, you do have a slight or smaller procedure that can also help. But once glaucoma happens to a patient, it's for lifelong.
Yeah, lifelong.
It's for lifelong.
Yeah.
Is there a percentage of eyesight that has been lost which you can regain from the treatment?
No, not at all.
അപ്പോൾ ഒരിക്കൽ നമ്മുടെ കണ്ണിൻ്റെ കാഴ്ച ഈ ഗ്ലോക്കോമ എന്നുള്ള അവസ്ഥയിൽ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് cannot be taken. അത് തിരിച്ച് കിട്ടില്ല. It's irreversible. But ഉള്ള ബാക്കിയുള്ള പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് ഓഫ് ഐസൈറ്റ് can be kept preserved
without any progression with the drops.
With the drops. Okay.
Yeah.
With the drops or the treatment, the other
laser
procedure, the laser procedures.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's good news. Doctor ഇവിടെ പറയണ്ടായി ഒരു 50 years and above is when we can suspect for glaucoma. What I'd like to ask again is that if you do not treat, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഗ്ലോക്കോമ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് അറിയില്ല, we do not have a family history and we've not realized, we haven't done any checks and we have not realized നമുക്ക് ഗ്ലോക്കോമ ഉണ്ടെന്നുള്ളത്, അപ്പോൾ what will happen in the end towards where you have started losing your eyesight? What would happen in the end?
Yeah, that is what I told you, it's a silent theft. So konjama your side vision, so first the central vision will be perfect, so another patient won't come to you naturally. So we just do the test and then diagnose he has glaucoma. Appadi pannalana all the side vision konjama that retinal nerve fibers will get affected and konjama the side vision will get blurred and finally the central vision will get affected if not treated properly.
And like I said, we cannot treat.
We cannot treat it.
Now again, if family history illengi, then what are the chances that you can develop glaucoma?
So one more very common cause of glaucoma is over the counter drops. So number patients, all of them, they go to the medical shop and then enakku allergy irukku, urthal irukku, redness irukku, just give me some drops. So and whatever the pharmacist, they give them steroids. So when they've been abusing steroids, so the steroid drop then is the main culprit for glaucoma.
ഒരു കണ്ണിനൊരു ചെറിയ ഇൻഫെക്ഷൻ വന്നാൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു അലർജി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഇറിറ്റേഷൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മളൊരു ഡോക്ടറിനെ കൺസൾട്ട് ചെയ്യാതെ we just randomly pick up a drop from the pharmacy and we self-medicate. So these kind of steroids can also be a reason why glaucoma varanadu karanam.
That's a main important cause.
Okay. So this is something that we have to be very careful.
Yeah, exactly. So whenever you have any redness and thing, it's better to consult an ophthalmologist than a pharmacist.
The very common term, glaucoma, eye pressure. Eye pressure, does this have anything to do with our hypertension, like the usual blood pressure that we all talk about?
It doesn't have to do with the body pressure per se, but the low blood pressure, the people taking tablets for hypertensives, so that can affect glaucoma.
Okay.
So that is why we advocate. So if when the BP patients irukavungalukku eye pressure varanungiradilla, but those are on BP medications, if they are taking in the night time, that can precipitate glaucoma because the medicines that will decrease the blood flow to the optic nerve. So adanal optic nerve blood supply kammiya irundhu namakku appo glaucoma varalam. So that is why all the blood pressure patients, the night dose of antihypertensives has to be avoided.
Like how we relate diabetic ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കണ്ണ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, റെറ്റിനക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടാവും. So the same way, if you are a hypertensive patient, blood pressure treatment ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, if you are taking those medications, there are chances history ഇല്ലെങ്കിലും glaucoma വരാൻ chances ഉണ്ട്. Again, നമ്മൾ ഈ ma'am mentioned that 50 years and above. So this is somewhere around where we find cataract in most patients. Cataract is very common. We see a lot of elderly people who are crossing their mid-50s coming across complaining about vision problem and then you identify it as cataract. Can cataract and glaucoma happen at the same time?
Yeah, it can happen.
It can happen.
It can happen. Patients, I see lots of patients who just come for regular cataract surgery. Then we dilate adukapra paakumbodhu their nerves are very much enlarged and they do all the tests for glaucoma. It's everything is positive for glaucoma. So andha mari irukra patients ku we can advise both combined cataract surgery and glaucoma surgery, which is called a trabeculectomy, at the same time. So this cataract surgery hardly takes 15-20 minutes and on top of that the glaucoma is called a trabeculectomy, that also takes around 15 minutes extra. So those can be combined at the same setting.
And it's perfectly fine. You can go back to your routine.
It's little different from what the normal cataract surgery go, cataract and glaucoma combined surgery go. What is the duration of the eye drops? So cataract we usually give for a month or 6 weeks. Idhukku வந்து we give it for 3 months.
Okay.
If it is combined cataract and glaucoma nalla. And this eye sheet has to be applied in the night time because glaucoma we put some few sutures. கொஞ்சம் தையல் போடுவோம் அதுல. So அதனால rubbing of the eye has to be avoided strictly. There should not be eye rubbing, and these people have to use a shield or cup at the night time.
What are the high-end procedures? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഒരു latest advanced treatments that we have for glaucoma?
Okay. So glaucoma, as I told you, the main thing is eye drops. In Latin, it's called the trabeculectomy. That is the eye procedure, surgery procedure. And there are few lasers procedure. So wherein the pressure avlo konjo it is border like it has to be little 20, less than 20 or 20, 21, and not much of damage. அப்படிங்கிறது we have two procedures. One is called the selective laser trabeculoplasty. இன்னொன்று வந்து organ laser trabeculoplasty. That is just an outpatient procedure. Patient needn't go to the operation theatre. So with the laser machine, we just hit the trabecular machine. So that can decrease the eye pressure. But not all hospitals are equipped with it. So இப்போ the latest technology in glaucoma is, as I told you, the trabeculectomy. அது வந்து it is a kind of operation kind. But இப்போ latest வந்திருக்கிறது it's called the GAT, gonioscopy assisted transluminal trabeculotomy. அதில் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா we don't blood vessels, we don't cut the blood vessels. Just with the type of the lens, we just open up the passages. So that, as I told you, it can be combined with the both cataract and the glaucoma. It is purely non-invasive procedures, no suturing required and no bleeding. So that is relatively safe. அந்த மாதிரி procedures வந்து that can be done for mild to moderate. Advanced end stage அது பண்ண முடியாது. Mild to moderate type of glaucoma, the GAT can be performed. Then we do it here also.
Thank you so much,
Okay,
Doctor.
thank you.
I've taken a lot of your time here.
Okay, thank
and Doctor എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഭയങ്കര ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവ് ആണ്. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇതിൽ ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാനുണ്ട്, എനി കോമെന്റ്സ് ദാറ്റ് യു വുഡ് ലൈക്ക് ടു ആസ്ക് us, എനി ക്വയറീസ്, എനിത്തിങ് അറ്റ് ഓൾ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ താഴെ കാണുന്ന കോമെന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഞങ്ങളോട് ചോദിച്ച് അറിയുക. വി വിൽ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ആൻസർ യു. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് കണ്ടേറ്റ് ഫോർ മോർ സച്ച് ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവ് വീഡിയോസ്. Don't forget the bell button. Thank you so much. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you all.